Hello guys, my name is Sansista. In this video, I want to talk about a certain concept that I found out really interesting, and that can change your perspective on Counter-Strike a lot and can help you to enjoy the game more and also to perform more. And that's playing the game as a more like a solo-based game than a team game. Okay. Now, for some of you, maybe this is not the issue, but the ones that can relate, I think this can help a lot because I see a lot of players, and me introducing a lot of times, I caught myself actually just like playing with a team, which we're gonna get into that. What I mean by that. So basically, we all know that this Counter-Strike game, is team game, right? We all know it. Is a team game, is 5v5, right? But the issue is that we should not play it like a team game. What I mean by that is that when you have a players, right? When you are playing like the game, you are that kind of guy that like calls everything, supports everything. For example, I was the guy that on Face It, like most of the times, like I was saying, uh, go close to me and trade me, and stuff like this. Like I was always relying on someone. I was always calling for something. I was always like relying on some certain teammate so I can make a move, I can make an action. And that's really important to understand that you don't want to do the opposite. You don't want to play it like a solo game, just running around and shooting people and stuff like this. If you want to obviously play it competitively, but you want to play the game from a place that instead is like a group thing, right? Your team is like a group, it's like together, it's like a team. Because a lot of times we have like this beliefs that it's like a team. Like I don't know, if you see like Avengers, right? As a kid, you could see like they're so together and they're like so relying on each other, and they're like like one is like Iron Man is doing this, Hawkeye is doing this, like they're helping each other, they're like a team, they're like a glued team. I don't know how to, I hope you get me, I hope you get the point. And so this isn't working that way. First of all, it's not a movie, it's just, right, it's just a game. Everyone has their own minds. And second of all, if we talk about like team environment, yeah, obviously practice together, spend time together, build a team chemistry. But when it's time to play, when it's time to show up, the worst thing that you can do is actually play as a team, as a glued team. Like you're relying on each other, right? And that kind of comes the ego wars as well. Because when you start to rely on teammates, when you start to rely on others, so we can make some certain space, you can make some progress. I'll give you examples soon, so you're gonna be understanding this. Then you start to have an ego, because if this doesn't work, then you're gonna blame him, right? Because it makes sense. Like you cannot do anything without others, pretty much, and you're relying on that, and that's like a big thing. So, for example, I don't know, the simplest example over here, you're saying to your team, smoke mid door, please, right? And they don't smoke you, and now you're like, okay, I'm gonna just troll. Simple example, but obviously you have like a more complex examples. Instead of doing this, you're gonna smoke the mid door for yourself, right? Or you're gonna, for example, on T-spawn, you're gonna ask, can someone smoke mid door? If no, it's okay. You're gonna smoke it for yourself. You're gonna do the util, everything, and you're just playing for yourself. Now, the point is that you don't want to play solo fully, right? Like just like running around and shooting. But the point is that you want to call what are you doing, so the team knows what are you doing, and you want to use the teammates as a like solo companions, if that makes sense. So instead of having a team as a group, right, having a team as a glued group, you want to have as a solo individuals that can help each other, right? And that's the mindset shift that I kind of apply, and it really works for me a lot, because a lot of times I'm trying to control, I'm trying to like call the strat, I'm trying to like trade trade with teammate. I'm just playing and relying on them, right? Like I'm playing and I'm thinking that we are like we are the whole team, and we need to move together and do things together, and we need to be synchronized. But so on solo queue this is not possible, and even in team environment it's like almost impossible, because the mistakes will happen and you're gonna be like blaming them for that. And instead you should use them, kind of, right? And they can also use you, and that's like the beauty of it, is that it doesn't mean that you're just gonna play your own game the whole time and you're gonna be supported. No, if they want support, you're gonna support them. You can support them. But think about it that you don't need to always support them. That's kind of like the other thing. Like for example here, like if he's close and he wants flash from you, right? You are playing as a CT. He wants flash for you, and for example this guy is out. You're not just gonna do, oh okay, I will flash for you, boom, and now you're gonna be dead. You for example say, no, I can't flash for you right now. Right, and he's gonna cancel the play. Don't think about that. They say something, you need to do it. You're relying because you're a team that needs to move together. Don't say like, and don't be the opposite as well. Like you want support, you need to get it, or else you just like it's gonna be fucking bad, right? And just have it as like a solo individuals, right? Solo individuals that can help each other when they can, and for the opposite as well. You can get benefits by them helping you and stuff. But always play your own game because that's kind of like the thing. Like I got myself a lot of I don't play the game for myself. I play the game for them because I want a win. We want a win, not I want to win. And that's the thing. You want definitely to understand this. I want to win, okay? The I is really important because it means that I am gonna play the game, I'm gonna enjoy it, and I want to win the game. And that's why I'm gonna use other individual companions. They can use me as well if they need. And we're gonna win the game, but I want to win the game because you can never rely on anyone, even in life. So it's kind of like the same formula for that. And I really found that really like useful because um, yeah, I mean, like a lot of times I'm relying on my teammates and it's just really bad. So you always want to like focus on I want to win instead of we want to win in that sense. So that's it, and I hope you can relate to this point. I hope you can like learn something more and like benefit from it. And yeah, let me know in comments down below what do you think about that, and also like what other ideas, for example, on video you would want to see from me. And yeah, I mean that's it. Have a nice day. See ya, guys.